I know you're trying to save for that Gucci belt, that Gucci bag, that Gucci sunglasses, but now you can, because this video is how to make money as a teen. Okay, so here is the list of things that are my ideas on how you can make money as a teen, maybe even younger than a teen for some of these, maybe like older, just to like make some extra cash, you know? So the first one is to babysit. If you know anyone who has little kids that you could babysit, that is a way to make money. So the next one is if you can get social media sponsorships. So I know there's FameBit, I think you need 5,000 for that. And then there's Grapevine, which I think you need like 10,000 for that. I used to be on it and then they like kicked me off. Actually no, I feel like I had it when it was 1,000 and then they went to 5,000 and kicked me off. So like maybe I can go back to it, I don't know. So the next one is to sell items on Craigslist. If you have anything like furniture or something that you can get picked up, you can just sell it on Craigslist. It could meet you somewhere, make some money. The next one is to make an Etsy account. If you know how to make any types of crafts, that's mainly what is sold on Etsy, so you can make one of those. You do need, you have to be 18 to make an Etsy though, so you do need like someone else's social security code to do that. That's probably illegal, but I did it before. So the next one is to make a podcast, and you need like a big audience for this, but a lot of people make podcasts and I've heard you need like 10,000 viewers or something like that to like make a lot of money with it. That's what like I've heard, you know. I don't really know. So another way is to go to Paytas Closet, which is a kind of like thriftish store, but you give them your clothes and they give you a little bit of money back. I personally had a bad experience with my Paytas Closet. I only tried it once. I gave them like a few pairs of jeans and a few shirts that I took because they like go through and they don't take everything. And they offered me like 30 cents for like multiple pairs of jeans and like shirts. But I've heard other people have gone to Paytas Closet and like actually got like good deals, you know? So the next place is that you can sell stuff on eBay. So it's like a small item that you can like ship out. You can put it on eBay and sell it. So the next one is a Lightroom presets. I know I said this in another video and the comments are like, you're saying it wrong. And so present. Sorry, that was a little bit sassy. So you can basically make these like templates on Lightroom if you know how to use Lightroom, and if you have Lightroom, you can make little templates and like sell them for people to use on their Instagram. It's basically little filters that people use for like their Instagram and like photography or something else. So my next idea is that you can make a bake sale, and basically you can just like bake some like cookies or like brownies and then bring them to school or something. I don't know, maybe like a sports game or something, and like sell them. So my next idea is if you are a photographer, you could do like senior pictures to sell, or you could do like wedding stuff. But like wedding stuff, I feel like they usually hire like someone that's like really professional, but like senior pictures, you could probably do if you just like have a camera and you're like young, you know? Another way to make money if you have a large following is to make a AdSense account, which is on YouTube, or you can make them for blogs and it just like pays you every time an ad. It doesn't pay you money, like, you don't like make like nothing, but it pays you a little bit when an ad pops up or something. So another idea on how to make money is if you are good at like making stuff, like you can sell business cards to make. If you're good at making stuff like that, you know, you could also sell like flyers or something maybe. I don't know. So another idea on how to make money is if you did a car wash and you charge people for just washing their cars. Pretty simple idea. Okay, so for the next idea, I don't know how much money you make from this because I haven't done it before. So I don't know if you can make like a lot or like a little bit, I don't really know. But I know some people can save up their aluminum cans and then they like take them to like a recycling bin or something and they give them some money for them. So the next idea is you can freelance if you are good at like video editing or like graphic design or like photography. You can do like freelance work and make some extra money through that. So my next idea is that you can go to schools and tutor little children that are having like problems with school. As long as you can do like math and science and stuff, you know, you're good. So my next idea is to make a Patreon. This also is something you could only do if you have like followers. Sorry, these are like all like how to make money if you have followers, but like I don't really know other ways to make money, which is basically you just have like subscription content that people can like watch extra videos if they're not just watching your free videos on YouTube, you know? Okay. So the next idea is kind of like a Craigslist-ish thing, but it's Facebook Marketplace, so you can sell stuff on Facebook Marketplace instead of like Craigslist. It's like just like kind of interchangeable, just like another place to sell things, okay? So my final idea is to sell on Redbubble, and Redbubble is a kind of like t-shirt, and I think they sell like phone cases too. Yeah, like t-shirt, phone cases, I don't know, stuff like that. Maybe like bags or something. And you basically just like make a design and then you import it to the website, and then they'll like make you like a little shop and you like buy your design on like t-shirts and like phone cases and stuff, and you make money from that. I've heard that you don't make like a lot of money off of your sales, but you make like a little bit off of your sales. So yeah. Okay, so that is all of my ideas. I'm out now. Oops. Comment down below if you know any better ways to make money, because my ideas aren't like that great. Like they're kind of bad. Okay, that is all I have to say. So if you enjoyed this, like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. Add me on Snapchat because I add every single person back. And please, 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 please help me get to 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I am very, very far ways away. So I would really love it if you could help me get to 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I think that's all I have to say, so goodbye! Okay, so I know you're oh, this is gonna be horrible. This is gonna be so cringy. I know I got kicked off because they like up their follower range, so you know. And apparently you can do video. I don't know how to do that with someone else's social security code, but it's fine. Okay.